Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Napkin AI on a mobile phone. In order to do so, here we are in the Apple App Store, but you can find this with Android as well. We're searching for Napkin AI, and as you can see here, we found it. And the first thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and click on Get so that we can install it. And we'll just get that going here. It's installing already, nice and fast. We'll go ahead and open that up. Okay, so we're just going to, looks like we got a little bit of a hello here. So we're going to close that out up at the top right hand corner. And it says here, generate. So let's go ahead and try clicking on, okay, so we clicked on that and this opens up to this page here. So image description, elements to avoid, we've got style, we've got size. So let's go ahead and start with our image description. Let's do something, a cute bunny owl eating an ice cream. And we'll just, elements to avoid, you could put that in there. You could put stuff in there if you want, but we'll just go ahead and leave this here. We have style. As far as our style goes, we're going to go with creative. Our size, let's go with 16 by 9. That's fine. And we'll go ahead and hit generate image. And there you go. We have our adorable bunny owl. It looks kind of more like an owl, a bunny. I don't really see any owl things in there, but it is eating ice cream and it is pretty cute. So that gives you an idea of how you can use Napkin AI as well. Very straightforward. And if you're just looking for an easy image generator to use, check out Napkin AI, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you can get $50 to start an account. And once you've started an account, you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a win-win situation. It is a fantastic deal, and Simply Financial is a fantastic bank. Comes highly recommended.